Hello everyone, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Aruna. Now I'm going to give a seminar about the topic called finding maximum and minimum number of elements in the list. Let us suppose P is equal to n comma a of I to a of j is the arbitrary instance of the problem. Here n is the number of elements in the list and p is the problem. In a of I to a of j are the elements in the list that we are interested to find the maximum and minimum number of elements in this list of elements. If for small problem, small of p, that is here n value is less than 2. In this case, the maximum and minimum element are same in the list. Means then here we have only one element. So max is equal to min is equal to a of I. If n is equal to 2, let us suppose wait n is equal to 2. In this case, we can find out maximum and minimum number of element in one comparison because we have only two elements. Let us suppose example 5 and 16. In one comparison, we can say that 5 is minimum element and 16 is the maximum element. Suppose the problem is big. So in this case, we can divide the problem into two instances. We can by divide and conquer technique. Suppose think that I am dividing the problem into two parts. P1, P is divided into two parts. P is divided into P1, P2. P1. P1 is equal to, so we are dividing n. So number of elements. So n by 2 to a of I2, a of n by 2. And P2 is equal to n by 2 to a of n by 2 to a of j. If the problem is still big, we can further divide this problem into recursively by using divide and conquer technology. After dividing the problem, we need to combine the problem. So here we can combine by suppose p of max of p and min of p are the maximum and minimum elements in the problem. So max of p is max of p and p1 are max and maximum of p are maximum of max of p and maximum of p. Max 1 of p is max of p. Minimum of p and min 1 of p is, and minimum of min of p and min 1 of p is min of p. So in order to understand in detail, now we are going to solve a problem using this divide and conquer technique. Sorry. So let us consider the elements. Say, what I say, 5, 10, minus 3, 1, 6, 18. So let us consider these elements. Now we need to find the maximum and minimum number of elements in this list. So let us consider first element as I and last element as j. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So mid is equal to I plus j divided by 2. So 1 plus 6 divided by 2, it is 7 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So we divide from 3. So 5, 10, minus 3, 1, 6 and 18. Again here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again we are applying this formula for this subarray. So 1 plus 3 by 2 gives us to 4 by 2. So 4 by 2 is equal to 2 again. So here 5, 10 and here minus 3. Again 5, 4 plus 6 is equal to 10 and 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So like this 1, 6, 18. So here minimum element is 10, minimum element is 5. Here maximum and minimum element is equal to minus 3. Here max is equal to 6 and min is equal to 1. And here max 1 and minimum is equal to 18. So again I am writing this up at the top because the board is not visible. So wait, I'm rubbing the whole part. 5, 10, minus 3. Wait, I'll write some more. Max is equal to 10, min is equal to 5. Max 1 is equal to min. Max 1 is equal to minus 3. Min 1 is equal to minus 3. Max is equal to 6. Min is equal to 1. Max 1 min 1 is equal to 18. So again, we combine this. Here max is equal to 10 and minimum is equal to minus 3. Again we combine this. Max is equal to 18, min is equal to maximum, min is equal to 1. So again we combine this and we compare this. Then max is equal to 18. Minimum is equal to minus 3. So from the elements above 5, 10, minus 3, 1, 6 and 18, we find out that max is equal to 18, that is maximum element is equal to 18, minimum element is equal to minus 3. So this is how we find the maximum and minimum elements in an array using divide and conquer technique. So I think you have understood. Thank you for listening.